Hello everyone. Today it's going to be sort of a review for you guys. We're going to look at this SD40 by Broadway Limited. So I bought this brand new because I really wanted the CP rail. I could have kept my money and waited for something to come up on the refurbished side, but this one is brand new. So how much did this cost me? It cost me, in Canadian money, it's $300. So how did I come up with the $300? Well, I get paid from YouTube. I get paid about $50 a month. So I saved that up. Got $100 from that. And I sold two other SD40s, some really nice Kato ones. And then I sold two engines. I got another $200 for that. So that paid for this engine. So thank you everyone for watching. I really like these little foam protectors they put in there. You know, a little while back I would remove them with my trusty screwdriver, but then I thought using a toothpick would be just a little bit gentler. Well, as you can see, this paint job is really good. It's really spectacular in the CP Action Red. And every time I put this back into its box, I put the little inserts back, and I'll put the little plastic also. I used to throw out the plastic bags, but now I even keep that because that protects the box from little scratches. It's a soft plastic bag. So let's look at a little bit of the detail from this. Yeah, first of all, I really like this paint. So there's other companies that make really detailed engines, you know, with separately applied grab irons. All separately applied grab irons in the front, and in the back they were very thoughtful, and they hid away the two number boards, and they just have a CP engines just have a big number painted there. They're very thoughtful about that. They do not paint the safety rails, which suits me fine because this is going to match my other Kato units. I'm going to run it with the Kato units. I always look at pictures of the similar engine. They have really nice cab sunshades. So overall, very nice. So the horn on the 5692, as most CP SD40s, is right around this area between the dynamic brake and the fans. And instead of a headlight up here, they would have a bell. Like I said, it's other manufacturers that make really nice SD40s. The real reason to get the Broadway Limited engine is for the excellent sound system, the Paragon 4, which has a really cool feature that's called Rolling Thunder, which I really appreciate. Got the speaker here. You can see the drive system. I have another one, Illinois Central, and that too is a really good runner. I'll show you the label here. As you can see, Paragon 4 with Rolling Thunder. That changes everything. So let's go try it on the track. So why is Rolling Thunder so important? I'm glad you asked. I've got a demonstration for you. This is a very nice MRC decoder and a super nice Kato SD40-2, and it's lots of fun. But it sounds like a mosquito. Which is okay. but I'll demonstrate the Rolling Thunder in a second. Make sure you have your subwoofer on or a really good set of headphones. Makes a huge difference. Now my SD40-2 sounds like an SD40-2. Just wanted to show you some of the packaging. I like this sticker here to avoid damage. When you put the locomotive on the track, turn off the power. That's good advice. You also have a cheat sheet in the bottom, and that allows you maybe to have a little bit more of enjoyment out of all the functions. So that's really cool. I'm gonna run this just light, just for fun. Take a minute to go over what the system looks like. So you have two systems that you can order. You can order just the box with just the box with the subwoofer, their own subwoofer. I choose to use my own subwoofer. So you have the power cable. Then you have the RCA cable to, I use a home theater system. So you have the power cable to your home theater system. And then when you start up your DCC system, I've got them plugged on the same power bar. So I just turn on my power bar. My NCE power cap starts up. You can see the flashing light. It's looking for the locomotive. Now it stopped flashing, so it found it. So now we're ready to go. And then the box just goes under the table. Alright, so let's throw a train on this. And now it's time to run some trains. It's got a very nice startup sequence. thing I forgot to mention is you only need one locomotive with rolling thunder because the receiver can only pick one at a time. So the others can be just regular DC sound or sound that doesn't matter, but you only pick one at a time. Now we have to deliver this train from Vancouver to Toronto. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had fun making it for you.